Hey people, it's another bread fuck up. Pretty much, I am determined to make the best possible bread with 3.5 cups of rye and 3.5 cups of normal, like all-purpose flour. And yeah, just for me, for like with a 10 kilo pack of flour, it would just be easier for me to put the flour in a bowl and put the flour from the bowl into the cup. And now just make enough water into the bowl, like the main mixing bowl, just for it to all come together. I think where I really screwed up was I should have put my sourdough in and just put regular yeast in. Yeah, it seemed a little like moist, so I added a little bit more flour just to make it more smooth. Yeah, just to keep on like kneading it and punching it down as it proves. Maybe, I don't know, that's where I fucked up. As it doubled in size, I looped up some baking pans and transferred it into a 375-degree oven and baked for about 50 minutes. As you can see, it really didn't turn out that good. I would love to have some feedback, though. I really wish I could do this better, but hey,